Hi, so we have almost completed the draft phase. This is going to be a short demo of how we have made it. Okay, so this thing has three projects. One is a regular web app UI, and then backend server, which is based on Firebase as well. The UI is also based on Firebase, and then third thing is an extension, which is based on for Chrome. Okay, so I will show you first actually how it is there internally, and then we will go from there. So ours is CF super user. We have hosting as well because our UI is hosted there, and then for database we have this one. So we have all these different collections which will inform, which will has details about the credentials, outsourcers, and different kind of users there. Okay, and then hosting is there, which we will be having some web application. Okay, I will show you, and then there is functions as well, which we have done that. Okay. And now we will go with hosting. Right. So at first, what I'm going to do is I have already hosted it in our Firebase site, which is cfsuperuser.firebaseapp.com/login. Okay. At first, I am going to log into this admin UI with a regular outsourcer credential. If because we have all these people are users, right? So we have a user who is just an outsourcer. He should not have any access there inside because he is going to work only with the extension. So we will just give them a link like where we are going to show the extension and he can download it. Okay, and the next person is a CF user. I have already created different kind of user in order to test it. So the next person which I'm going to log in is CF user, and then what he could do is he can go inside, he can create credentials. I have already created something for this, and then also he can create outsources. But unfortunately, he has been limited for only one outsourcer. He could not create more. So what I'm going to do is I will delete this user outsourcer, and then we can create one thing for under his name. Okay, I will delete this. Okay, so our add outsources button is enabled for him, and then we will do one at a time. Okay, I have some details here. We will just create something, but we will just create something different because we have deleted that. We don't want to use AR2. Then same thing, AR2, and then the password test123 and test123, and the credential coordination. You can also aim to add credential just like that. Okay, and then the home page. Once the user has been logged in, we need to specify where he need to be redirected after our extension automatically logging in. I am going to ask him to log in with this 62400 stuff, and then allowed URL is obviously the home page that needs to be allowed. So I need to click this and then click add. And you can add as many URLs here, and it will go on adding it. And then I don't want him to edit that. He can do all other stuff. We don't want to edit that particular settings page. Okay, so I am adding that as a blocked URL, and then I am submitting it. Okay, so it has saved, and then it has created for outsource AR2, and he will be using credential this, and I am the owner, which is CF user AR@artificial.com. If you see here, it is just 1, 2, 3 things, and then there is one more user who has access to all. It is ourselves, okay, our admin. So I have admin people. So these admin people will have the entire overall picture. They can see outsourcers, they can see CF users, and then they can see admins as well. They could able to edit or delete, do whatever stuff. We don't want to do edit actually because it will corrupt it. So just think of only adding. If you want to edit it, go to CF users and edit the CF user. Only then it will be proper. Okay. And then there is max outsourcers. You can update the number if you want. If you want to add 1 or 2 or 3, whatever it is. and then you can add credentials as well. So difference between here and there is we need to specify who is the owner here. It won't come there for CF user. You just need to give the email password. Since we are admin here, we have the ability to create credentials as well. And that is the same for outsourcer. We can add an outsourcer, and we need to specify who the owner as well. The owner will be like some CF user. Okay. So these are all the different roles and responsibilities here. And our main thing is obviously outsource AR2 at arartificial.com. We are going to use this guy, and we are going to log into the extension based on this guy. Okay, I will just paste it. Okay, so I will log out here, and I will close it again, everything, and then I will open our application again, and let's wait for some message. Yeah. Okay. So it is asking for an email and password. I will just use our outsourcers email and then password, which I always have, test123. Okay, and I just log in. So it will be just like a link, small link now. We can make changes anyway afterwards. Okay, you just need to click here to open your account. So what it will do is it will close it. I think I have already shown you this, I guess, right? Yeah. Only thing difference is previously everything needs to be in dummy data. Now it needs to be changed actually. Okay. Sorry for this. I'll try again. Okay. Fine. So this is you can do all the stuff. If you see here, the settings thing will always be disabled because we have made that as a blocked URL, and all the things will be coming as empty. Okay, so other than funnel marketplace, because it was marketplace, I don't want to do it. I have modified it only for app.clickfunnels.com. So other than all the URL will be showing. For example, if you see here, this is terms and conditions, which is signup.clickfunnels.com's terms, signup.clickfunnels.com. I have made this applicable only for app.clickfunnels. All other links will be shown. Okay, so they could able to just use it directly. Okay, there are some issues because the project itself, if you see here, it was a huge project, and I happened to start testing it since we are already getting delayed. I have been completing, and I am going to give it to you. Okay, so I believe that's it. You are free to create as many users you want. We have this thing. We have an admin user. I will share all these things. We have an admin CF. So you can add as many CF users if you want. You can add as many admin users. You can add as many outsourcers, and for each and every outsourcers, you can add allowed URLs, blocked URLs. Also, you are free to add credentials as well. If you see there are credentials. There are credentials. You are free to add as many credentials you want there as well. And then it will be somewhat slow. The reason is actually it will log each and every time, since our Firebase account is free. It will be a bit slow for some time. The reason is yeah, it will log one more time for each and everything. Whenever if I am going to call a function, it will try to log something actually. For example, if you see here, billing account not configured, billing account not configured, it will be coming like each and every time it will come like that. Okay. And then yeah, that's it. Yeah, just have a look into this and let me know if there is any queries. Okay, thank you.